Hello students, by this video let us study about cell wall. So cell wall is a layer which is present outside the cell membrane of plant cells. Okay, so cell wall, it is an additional layer present outside the cell membrane or plasmamembrane of plant cells. Okay, so only plant cells will have cell wall, whereas animal cells do not have cell wall. So that is one of the main difference between plant cell and animal cell. Yes, so we know what is plasma membrane or cell membrane by previous video. Now in this video we will just concentrate only on the cell wall which is present in plants. Okay, so this cell wall, it is acting as a supporter and protector to the cell. Yes, to the plant cell. So plant cell provide a framework for support and stability. So support and cell stability is being maintained by this cell wall present outside the cell membrane of plant cells. So this cell wall, it is made up of a compound. So that compound is a carbohydrate compound. Yes, so that carbohydrate compound is called as cellulose. Okay, so what is cellulose? Cellulose is a carbohydrate compound which is present inside the cell wall. So cell wall is made up of cellulose. So cell wall, another function is that it maintains shape and rigidity. Shape and rigidity to the plant cell. Okay, so shape of the cell. So generally all the plant cells are regular shape. So this regular shape is being maintained by cell wall, and also cell wall maintains rigidity. So as the cell grows, rigidity, that strong stiffness is being maintained. Okay, so when we know plants, when they grow upright to great heights, they grow. So as they keep growing, the cells present inside the plant cells, they also grow upright. Okay, so they also grow up. So that upright growth of the plant cell, that is nothing but a rigidity. Okay, so it is very stiff. The stiffness of the plant cell is maintained by the cell wall. So both the shape, regular shape and rigidity of the plant cells are maintained by cell wall. Fine. Next point is that cell is interconnected to another neighboring cell. So in the case of plant cell is connected to another neighboring plant cell through an opening. So that opening is called plasmodesmata. Okay, so what is plasmodesmata? So plasmodesmata is an opening. So through this opening only, the one plant cell will communicate or will interconnect with that of the neighboring plant cell. So that particular opening is called as plasmodesmata. So through this opening, the materials present inside the one plant cell is being transported to another plant cell through this interconnection. So that interconnection is your plasmodesmata. So one plant cell is interconnected with another plant cell or another neighboring plant cell through an opening. So that opening is called plasmodesmata. Yes, so that's all about your cell wall. So cell wall, I'll summarize once again. Cell wall is acting as a supporter and protector. So cell wall is an additional layer present around the cell membrane of a plant cell. Yes, so cell wall is made up of a carbohydrate compound called as cellulose. Cell wall provides a framework for support and stability. Yes, cell wall maintains shape and rigidity as the plant grows upright to a great height. Then each cell, the plant cell is interconnected to the neighboring plant cell through a tiny opening called as plasmodesmata. Fine. So that's all about your cell wall. So hope you understood. Thank you.